Hi guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do a product tour on this IOGEAR 4-port USB KVM switch with remote switching port button. Here's what's included in the box. First up, we have a warranty card, quick start guide, and here is a customer satisfaction statement, and a mini product guide for their various other products. And this is the 4-port USB KVM cable, very massive. I'm going to talk about a couple of the connectors, but first the remote switch that allows you to switch between your different ports. We have 4 D-sub connectors, and let me count this, 2, 4, 6, 8 USB connectors. That is a lot, folks. The IOGEAR 4-port KVM switch is a simple solution for anyone who has to work with more than one computer. This KVM switch lets you control up to 4 computers using a single set of USB keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Setup is a snap. Just connect all the devices to the switch, then connect the switch to your computer. No additional cables or software installation is needed. The KVM switch supports your programmable mouse, as well as Windows, Sun, and Mac OS. And with plug-and-play convenience, you won't waste valuable time loading drivers. 1 switch, 4 cables, no hassle. That wraps up our product tour on this IOGEAR 4-port USB KVM switch with remote port switching button. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.